Hi everyone. I was really excited to share with you some of the things that I'm doing to prepare for my curriculum field trip, virtual reality field trip to Washington, D.C. with my fifth graders. So I am planning a curriculum design project that takes my kids on a virtual field trip to Washington. What they're going to do is they're actually going to go and visit all of these sites that I'm going to have assigned to them, but they get to go and visit them at their own pace and at whichever order they choose. I found some really great resources. So this first resource that I'm going to show you is from the National Park Service. And this is an interactive um, National Park Service interactive for the Lincoln Memorial. So as you can see here, there's these green arrows, and the green arrows take you to places within the memorial that you would like to go. So I'm just going to take us right up the stairs, right into the Lincoln Memorial. And this is as if I was standing right at the Lincoln Memorial, looking straight on at Lincoln. Over here to the left are all the little places where I can step so that I can get closer to him. So now I'm close, looking straight on. I can actually click on him. I can zoom in. I can go up with my eyes. I can look and read everything that's written on the walls. Over here to the right of the screen, where it's like behind my head here, you can see a blurb about the Lincoln statue and who designed it and how big it is. And so like we can scroll back down here, and then I'm going to click back out of the panoramic or back to the panoramic, and then I'm going to click back over here and I'll show you over here. Now I'm looking at, I think this is his inaugural address, the second inaugural address, and I can actually read it. I can click on it and zoom to it, and I can actually like read the entire thing. And this is really cool. So it's if I was right there. Students will be able to go right to these places and look at it as if they were right there. I can go out, I can look. So this is the actual museum downstairs. I can take a tour of the museum. I haven't even left my classroom. This is amazing. So this was the first place that I thought that the students would really enjoy going. I think that it's a really cool place because it gives them the opportunity to view things that they want to look at straight on, and gives them a lot of information. The other place that I'm going to take them is to uvisit.com. Uvisit.com has a bunch of the other monuments that are available. So the Washington Monument, the Lincoln Memorial, the Vietnam War Memorial, the Jefferson Monument, the Capitol Building, and the White House. And the students can actually go to these places. They can click on them. Then off to the right there, you'll see the blurb. The White House is the official residence of the and principal workplace for the president. There's different pictures that they can look at. So there's this first picture, and then there's other pictures available. They can go to Arlington National Cemetery. They can go to the FDR Memorial. There's just so many places where they can actually go. The Library of Congress, it talks to them about all of these places, and it gives them an opportunity to look and view all of these places without even leaving our classroom. So some of the things we're going to need in order to be successful at this field trip. First of all, I need to have enough devices. So I need iPads and computers. Thankfully, these programs work with both. They do need Adobe Flash Player in order to work properly, especially the Lincoln Memorial. The interactive Lincoln Memorial needs to have Adobe Flash Player in order for it to work appropriately. A couple of other things that I need to consider are that the students are going to need time to practice these skills and working through this in order to figure things out. So they're going to have a playlist of places where they can go and practice and look and have that time so that they can get used to the technology. And additionally, when you're, especially for the interactive ones with the Lincoln Memorial, just teaching them how to scroll up and down so that they don't get dizzy and don't feel squeamish after they've been using it. But overall, these are some of the things that I found for my trip to Washington, and I'm really excited to finish putting this together, and I hope that it comes together just the way that I plan. Thanks for watching.